Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur IFAM President Renu Takhelambam has condemned the misplaced of government's docket of the June 18 uprising, during which 18 people lost their lives. In this regard, IFAM held a press meet at the Office of Human Rights Alert (HRA) located at Kwakaitel Thiam Lekai in Imphal yesterday. HRA has filed a protest petition in the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West in this regard, seeking for a thorough investigation into the CBI closure report. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has said board examinations will be conducted in written mode and not online. The Central Board yesterday said alternative methods of assessment will have to be explored for students who have not been able to attend practical classes before exams. Through the Assam Rifles, as per the directives of Home Ministry, has imposed a ban on border trade activities in Manipur. Mizoram has begun free trade on the border. Our More correspondent reports that Assam Rifles posted at More has been strictly monitoring the Indo-Myanmar border to stop border trade. Kaching YD Ideal Youth Association KWIYA carried out a mass social service camp today. Our correspondent reports that Kaching constituency MLA Mayanglambam Rameshwar was also present during the program, for which he extended monetary aid. Marking the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Manipur Social Welfare Department today provided aid to differently able people during a function at the Social Welfare Complex located at Takil in Imphal West. Anti-drug cell of Jomi Revolutionary Army (JRA), currently under suspension of Operation SU, yesterday destroyed seized heroin and WI tablets worth Rs 2,43,800. JRA has launched an anti-drug drive since September 27, 2020 to make Churachandpur a drug-free district. Voice of Specially Able People today felicitated the winners of a national level talent hunt program commemorating International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2020. The organization observed the day under the theme Disability. District Social Welfare Office Taubal and Regional Institute of Handicapped Persons (RIHP) today jointly organized the International Day of Persons with Disabilities at RIHP Complex at Yaripok Bamun Lekai. The theme of this year's International Day of Persons with Disabilities is Building Back Better towards a disability inclusive, accessible and sustainable post-COVID-19 world. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Tupul under Tamelong District ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Manipur Center organized a training cum seed distribution program under CFLD Oil Seeds and Pulses at Tupul Community Hall today. SMS Plant Breeding KVK Tamelong Dr. Rabi Kolam, SMS Agronomy KVK Tamelong Gaipuichung Kami and Technical Officer Lumkhong Riamai were present as the resource persons during the program.